What's the meaning of bungalow? Bungalow. Bungalow.
Bungalow. Bungalow. A bungalow is a type of single-story house with a low-pitched roof and wide front porch. The term originally came from India, where it referred to a small, thatched dwelling, and was later adopted by British colonizers. Today, bungalows are popular all over the world and are often associated with a relaxed, informal lifestyle. They typically have an open floor plan and large windows, which make them airy and bright. Bungalows can be found in both rural and urban areas, and are often used as vacation homes or retirement residences.